3D printed homes that have started construction in Muscatine have run into some complications, and that is the top story at 5. The Community Foundation of Greater Muscatine was told the materials used in the project were underperforming. Alquist 3D, the subcontractor on the project, decided to start from scratch with new materials, and Local 4's Jackson Rosinski visited the site today to see how that's going.
The walls will come down. We'll complete the project that we've started behind us, and then we'll circle back to that project and take those walls down and restart.
Underperforming materials have been used on the first 3D printed home in Muscatine, pushing the end date on the entire project as a whole that includes 9 more houses. The 3D printed walls that failed quality checks were assessed on 2 specifications.
One is pounds per square inch, and we came in slightly under what we needed to there. And the second issue was that the walls had to be aesthetically pleasing. And both the Community Foundation as well as our general contractor and the subcontractor Alquist agreed that since those weren't met, that we would start the project over and get them right.
Monahan says there were a number of ways they could have fixed the walls that are still standing today.
None of those remedies would have maintained the intent of the original project. Rather than remediate it, we're choosing to take the walls down and get our commitment to building a quality product.
Despite having to start over and purchase new materials, potential homeowners won't be affected.
Without a doubt, there is cost to restarting. None of that will be passed on to the homeowner, obviously. The original cost will stay in place. The cost to restart will be borne by the subcontractor.
Monahan says they still believe that 3D printed homes are viable.
So we'll continue with the 10 that we've committed to in Muscatine County and get those done and see where we go from there.
It's a project being closely watched because Muscatine Community College is creating a 3D home printing certificate program and hopes more communities will start projects like this. In Muscatine, Jackson Rosinski, Local 4 News.
The 3D printed home project has a new deadline of sometime next year.